Hello lovely people, and welcome back to Mom Essy Kitchen and More. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very simple and tasty snack using puff pastry and hot dogs. This recipe is perfect for breakfast, school lunch boxes, parties, or your quick snacks at home. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. So first thing here, preheat your oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes, and here I have the puff pastries and the hot dogs. So I'll be cutting open the puff pastries, lining them on my workstation, and then I'm going to cut into long strips and then get my hot dogs ready for it to be wrapped. Watch the process. Don't skip this video for anything because it is a step-by-step video. So get ready to stick here and don't go anywhere. See how I'm trying to open up the puff pastries so that it doesn't break out, okay? Take your time. There is no need to rush. You're going to get there. You see how I'm rolling that out? If you take out the first layer, opening it, then the next ones are easy to go off, as you can rightly see. So open carefully. Remember, it is on a parchment paper, so you can easily slice without problems. Okay, so you can see how I've opened that up, and I'll get my knife and then I'm going to slice and get long strips, which I'll be wrapping on the hot dog. See how that process is going, and then I'll be back. While cutting out the long strips from the puff pastry, just cut with your discretion. Don't give yourself stress. Take it one step at a time. There is no measurement for this. Use your eyes to gauge it and then dice through it, or you slice through it. Okay, so this is it, people. Now you see the rolling process. I've done the first one, so you can see how I'm trying to do this. Make sure you are rolling in a spiral form until it is nicely covered. Look at the spiral form I'm talking about, and then you will see the end result of this your wrapping when it is all done. So keep watching and enjoy every bit of this. So as you can rightly see, this is done. We are done with the rolling process. Get an egg. Let's make the egg wash, which we are going to be using to grease the top so that it can give us that golden brown look when it is ready in the oven. So this is the greasing process. Enjoy every bit of it. Remember, please, we are going to be baking this for 20 to 25 minutes or until you see it is golden brown. Then you bring it out, means it is ready. So you can see how this is looking very, very nicely rolled. Okay, people, so now we are taking this into the oven. Remember, we preheated, and now we are going to allow this to do a bake at 180 degrees centigrade. Okay, this is it, people, and then after 25 minutes, this is what it's looking like coming out of the oven. This is really interesting and so very, very inviting. People, This is very easy to make. Have your pastries and your hot dogs, and this is done. No stress at all. No stress of missing the flour. This is what you just need. Look at this, is ready for your perfect lunch, for your breakfast, for your what? Good to go on the way. Look at it, people. Look at how I'm putting that. Of course, we are preparing for our thumbnail for this video. That is why you're seeing it in this my plate. So people, I hope you have enjoyed every bit of this video. Please look at how I'm showing you. I said like this video because it deserves your like. Share to your friends and families. Also leave a resounding comment, and in case you're new, hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be alerted anytime I upload new videos. You can see how that is looking. So on a good and pleasant note, people, it will be a great pleasure to have all your beautiful and gorgeous looking faces in the next episode of Mom Essy Kitchen and more. Remember, I love you all, but in all, God loves you most. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.